Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java string programming playlist, we will learn string programs from the scratch. This is Java string programming session 2, string as a sequence of characters. If you're confident about learning, like this video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. Before getting to the today's module, first we'll revise our previous session. What I discussed, string is a class and it contains a sequence of characters using java.lang.string class. We are creating the string object. String is immutable, that is we can't able to change the state of that object. So one by one we'll discuss. In our previous session we have discussed what is what alone. So as per our discussion, so now we are getting into the string as a sequence of characters. What is that? A string is simply first of all a class and it contain characters. Am I right? So characters arranged in order. Example, if we are taking the string, what is that here? String is Java program, it is a class. What is the reference variable name? Word. Using double quotes, I'm initialized that what is this Java is called as a object. So sequence of characters stored as an object. In our previous session itself, I demonstrate with example. So word is the reference variable. So it stores the character one after another. That is what you clearly mentioned. Characters arranged in order, one after another. So sequence means one by one. So it is stored as an object. It is not a primitive type. It is a class. Very important interview question. String is a class. The characters are J, A, V, A. So why we are telling it as a object means it having the methods like length. So length means it will find out how many characters present in the given string. Caret means it will return the character. Substring means particular characters you'll get it. Again repeating methods like length. These things separately we'll discuss okay later. Don't worry about it. Length means it will find out total number of characters present in the word. What is that? 4 characters. Caret means it will return the character at the particular index. Example, if I'm giving the 0th index, it will return the character J. So that is the usage of caret. But particular index, what character is present, it will return. Example, if I'm giving 2, what is that as per the index 0, 1, 2, 3 usually starts with 0 index. So if I'm giving the index 2, what is that? B will return. So that is the usage of caret. Substring means I'm taking some part of the string, not entire string. Example, if I like to take JA alone or AV alone, I can extract from the given string. That's the usage of substring. I'm taking some portion from the given string. Substring is a part of the string. Got it? So simple one line means string literal value is an object. I told you this Java is called as a object. What you are giving the double quotes, that is called as a object. Next, we can compare with the real-time example. Think of a train. Each coach have one character. Am I right? A coach, B coach, C coach. Some coaches are there. Example, assume the train in order J, A, V, A in some order. Okay. So each coach is the one character. Example here, J is one coach, A is one coach, B is another coach. So in some order, it will be present in some order. So J, A, V, A. So the entire train is called as the no string object. The characters individually are taking, that is a individual characters called as the character sequence of characters in some order. So you don't deal with the coaches individually, you deal with the whole train, that is called as the object. So we are not dealing with J, A, V, A individually. Instead of that, we are calling it as a string object. I hope you can able to clearly understand now. The entire train is called as now as a object. In the each and every coach present in the train is called as the character. That is what you clearly mentioned. Each coach is here one character. It will be some order. It will be present in some order. That is train in order n game. Then the entire train is called as the string object. Entire train is called as the string object. So internally, the basic idea is so Java will be like stored like this J A V A. So we are commonly called as a string object. I hope now you are clear what is that string literal value, why it is called as an object. The entire thing is called as a object, the whole train. Here in this example, you are taking train, the whole train is called as an object. Because many of them wrongly understand that What is that? A word is a object. It is not a word is not a object. Word is a reference variable. Through reference variable word, you are referring pointing the Java. So this Java is an object. This thing is called as a class. Next session we'll discuss about what is string as a object in Java. If you found this session useful, like this video, subscribe the channel for more update, click the bell icon. Have questions, drop the comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.